Welcome to Driver Training, your first call for driving instructor training. When it comes to training to become a driving instructor, many times we get asked, can I become a driving instructor if I only have an automatic driving license? The answer is yes. Become an automatic driving instructor in just a few months. Working fixed hours in a job you aren't happy with that stops you seeing more of your family can really get you down. You only live once, so retrain as an automatic driving instructor in just a few months and get guaranteed work. We have students who are looking for automatic lessons and need an automatic driving instructor. An automatic driving instructor can earn £700 per week or more before expenses. We can provide full training to help you quickly qualify to become a driving instructor. What's it like being a driving instructor? The first thing that you should know is that you need to have held a full UK driving license for 3 years and be over the age of 21. In order to acquire the necessary qualifications, there are 3 tests you need to take. The first test is computer-based and will examine your knowledge of theory and hazard perception. The second is a practical driving test. And the third is a practical test of your ability to instruct. The second and third parts are known to be the toughest, and once you pass part 1, you have a 2-year period in which to complete all 3 tests, or else you have to start again. The tests can be quite difficult, so make sure that you've thought it through properly. Do you have good road safety knowledge and excellent driving skills? Are you able to give clear instructions and able to adapt your teaching style? Becoming a driving instructor is not an instant process. It can take anything between 3 months to a year to complete all 3, and sometimes even longer. But the rewards are definitely worth it. To make a difference to someone's life, by giving them the freedom to drive, really is a fantastic feeling. To be able to work the schedule that's best for you and to be your own boss, with a government-recognized qualification means, wherever you go, your job goes with you. Why not call or text us today, and we can help start you on the road to success. We are Driver Training and we look forward to working with you soon.